Today what we're going to be cooking is a whole rainbow trout from Blue Goose. We're going to be using an Asian marinade, and we're going to be using a lot of Asian ingredients to roast this fish whole. This is an unbelievable recipe and so easy for you to execute at home. I love working with Blue Goose rainbow trout because it's naturally raised in the pristine waters of Manitoulin Island. It's high in omega-3 fatty acids, and it's just a delicious fish to work with. For our Asian marinade, we have a 1/3 cup of soy sauce into our bowl. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar. Next, we have a 1.5 tablespoons of chili garlic paste. And then we're going to add some sesame oil. So this is nutty, spicy. That garlic's going to give it a nice bite, a little bit of pungency, salty from the soy sauce. Soy sauce also gives you color, so it's dark. And the rice wine vinegar for that tart sourness, which is beautiful. Into this, we're going to add in chopped ginger. So we have our matchsticks of ginger. I like things spicy. I'm going to add in the red chilies. As you can see, they weren't de-seeded. I like it very spicy, so that's what I'm going to do. And then we're going to add in a nice handful of green onion. And I'm just going to give this a little mix. The flavor, the smell of this is just insane, and especially after it cooks, this is very, very exciting. So now I'm going to make incisions into the fish. This will allow the marinade to penetrate, it'll cook faster, and it'll also look amazing. So just gently pushing down, I'm just going to do strokes forward, and I don't want to penetrate too far in, maybe about 1/4 inch. And I'm spacing them about 1 inch apart, right down to the tail, just like that. Very beautiful. What we're going to do now is take some of the fennel that we chopped, and I'm going to make a bed. Also, the tops are very, very fragrant as well. So we're going to make a little bit of a bed for the trout to rest on, just like this. To this, I'm also going to add a little bit more of that ginger, chili, and the green onion, just so this perfumes our fish. I'm also going to put the ends of the citrus that we sliced, so very, very colorful. Remove this for 1 second, and I'm going to show you a quick tip. With lemongrass, I just take the back of my knife and bruise it, and then you get that beautiful, beautiful citrus note. And I'm just going to make a slit down the middle, just like that. So here we have our bed of lemongrass, the ginger, the chili, the green onion. We have the fennel, and we also have some of the citrus. I'm just going to take the fish that we've scored, bring this back over, and now what I want to do is I want to baste this with a little bit of that marinade that we made, just like this, getting into all those cracks that we made when we scored it. Already this is looking insane, and I'm just going to flip this around so you can see there. I'm going to take this marinade and also get it inside that cavity. So again, the saltiness, the nuttiness, the spiciness, it's herbaceous. I have kaffir lime leaves, which you can find probably at your Asian supermarket. These have a beautiful citrus smell, which is going to go so well with this fish. So I'm going to line the cavity with a bunch of these leaves. I'm actually going to tear a couple of them just to get them going. And we're going to add in some orange slices, some lemon, some lime, just like this. I'm going to flip this guy back around now, just so I can see it. And then a little bit more of our marinade. Just a quick tip, take a toothpick, place it in the mouth, and prop the mouth open. That way when it bakes, the mouth will be open. Again, it's all about visuals, it's all about how this looks when it comes out of the oven. So now our trout is ready, it's on its bed, it's fully marinated and seasoned. What we're gonna do now is add this into our preheated oven. The oven is at 420 Fahrenheit, and the fish will take about 17 to 20 minutes to fully roast. So here is our trout. It's been roasting at 420 Fahrenheit for about 18 minutes. It looks to be perfectly cooked. I'm just going to remove it to my cutting board quickly here. It is quite delicate. I have my serving dish here. So all this beautiful fennel that's braised, you can see it's all gorgeous. It's taken on all those flavors of citrus, the lemongrass, the chili. I'm going to carefully slide this back and bring the fish over, and I'm just going to put it on a slight angle, just as such. The Asian flavors that we are using, we'll have seaweed salad to serve with that. We'll have kimchi, and we'll also do some pickled ginger. And there you have it, the Asian-inspired rainbow trout, a nutritious, wholesome meal that you can make at home anytime, anywhere.